In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and open the company you want to use. Next, go to the Apps section in the left sidebar and select Find Apps. Now search for Shopify and select the Shopify app from the results. After that, click Get App or Connect, depending on the option available in your account. Follow the prompts to sign in to your Shopify account and authorize the connection with QuickBooks Online. Next, choose the Shopify store you want to connect and review the available synchronization settings. You may be able to choose how sales, fees, taxes, customers, and products are recorded in QuickBooks. Now, review the accounts QuickBooks will use for Shopify transactions and make sure they match your bookkeeping setup. After that, select the date you want the synchronization to begin, if QuickBooks provides this option. Then review the connection details carefully and click Connect or Finish to complete the setup. Once the connection is active, Shopify sales and related information can begin syncing with QuickBooks Online according to the settings you selected. Finally, go to Transactions or your accounting reports in QuickBooks and review the imported Shopify activity to make sure everything is being recorded correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.